Are you trying to connect your Novo card to PayPal and keep hitting a roadblock? It's a common frustration, and you're not alone. Many business owners and freelancers love the features of their Novo account, the fee-free banking, the simple invoicing, and the seamless integration with other tools. But when it comes to linking it with PayPal for smoother transactions, it can feel like a puzzle with a missing piece. The issue often stems from how PayPal verifies external accounts. Unlike a traditional debit card that might link directly, the process for linking a business banking account like Novo is slightly different. PayPal needs to confirm that you are the true owner of the account you're trying to connect, and for some specific online banks, the direct card link doesn't work as expected. But don't worry, there's a simple and reliable workaround. Instead of trying to link your Novo debit card directly, you need to use your Novo account and routing numbers. This method is the official and most secure way to get it done. Let's walk through the steps together, and you'll have it sorted in just a few minutes. First, log into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet section. Here you'll see options to link a bank or card. Instead of choosing Link a Card, select Link a Bank Account. You'll then be prompted to find your bank. You can use the search bar, but the easiest way is to choose Link Your Bank another way. This will bring you to the manual entry page. Now, you'll need your Novo account and routing numbers. You can find these easily in your Novo app or on the web portal. Just go to your account details, and they'll be right there. Enter the routing number first, followed by your account number. Double-check to make sure they're correct to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the numbers, PayPal will initiate 2 small deposits into your Novo account, typically within 2 to 3 business days. These deposits are usually just a few cents. Once you see the small deposits in your Novo account statement, head back to your PayPal wallet section. You'll see a notification asking you to confirm the deposits. Enter the exact amounts of the 2 deposits. Once you've entered them correctly, PayPal will verify your account, and your Novo bank account will be officially linked. You can now transfer funds between the 2 platforms seamlessly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.